Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the Maxit heavy-duty all-purpose shelving. These have the ability to be connected on their hinges, so you can have it to where they're double-stacked, side-stacked, or even corner-stacked. They have black connectors included, orange connectors displayed for visual purpose only. They have the capacity of 750 pounds. They say 150 pounds per shelf, which I can verify because we have stacked electrical motors on these, and they've been fine. They're 5 levels high. They're 72 inches tall, 18 inches depth, and 36 inches wide. They're pretty cool. We have 6 of them here. I've bought tons of these things. I highly recommend them. I'm going to cut this out. We're going to build all 6 of these, and then I'm going to show you what they look like built. You don't need any tools or hardware to build these. All you need is a maybe like 15 minutes a piece, and then a book or a blunt, soft object to get the pillars inside of the holes here. But I'm going to use the magic of Hollywood to get these things built in about 2 seconds, and I'm going to check back in. Chmelaeon.com here. Okay, so 4 of these shelves are already built, but I do have one thing to say about these. They also come with a couple of wall brackets, and then they have these connectors that actually go into here, and then you can throw them into other shelves, which I showed you in the photo of the label. But the problem with them, it's not really a problem. They're fine. They carry 150 pounds, so they're good, and they're affordable. But I also have these are Canadian-made ones. These are American-made ones. And the American-made ones are called Keter. They're the exact same thing. They're rated for 750 and 150 pounds a shelf. But one thing, it's a quick quirk about these. The American shelves have I'd say like a inch higher clearance than these, because these don't have foot pedestals that came with the Keters. And on top of that, the plastic shelves are really, they move a lot, unlike the Keters, and that's not because they don't have weight on them. It's just that you really can't even move these when they're built, because they're held in with no friction like the Keters are. So they're very loose, I want to say. So you have to build them in place. I would not move these, because if you try to pick them up, watch what happens. The whole shelf comes off. Unlike the Keters, where you can just lift the whole shelf unit up and you can move it where you want to go. So that's just one quirk about these things. I'm not saying it's a bad shelf. I'm just saying that it's kind of bleh when it comes to the actual moving of these things. I'm not going to bring them back. I'm already vested in these. But I would highly recommend the Keter brand shelves, because they're much better built and they have an inch higher clearance. So if you have water or whatever you're into, they're much better. That's pretty much it. Chmelaeon.com is out.